This is Kim Walden. My role is the recruitment manager for AgPro companies. Basically, our technicians diagnose and repair mechanical and electrical and hydraulic failures on farm and large and small ag equipment. So we need to be sure that equipment is working so farmers can feed the world. I'd say that's pretty essential. These positions are essential and they impact our communities because AgPro is designated as an essential business because we supply essential products and services to the ag industry. And we want to be sure that we help ensure that the nation's food supply is uninterrupted. We also supply service to the construction industry, including highway and roadside maintenance, for safety, government industries, and more. So technicians' jobs are very essential in those processes. I would say that we are seeing more applicants than ever before. We're non-essential businesses have closed, and we foresee that the candidate market will be extremely competitive, even in a field where mechanics are in such a shortage. So if you want a great career that you never have to worry about finding a job, then mechanics is the route to take. The thing that we look for when we're hiring technicians: good grades and attendance, stable and solid work history without a lot of job jumping every few months. Importantly, a good clean driver's license, and you have to be able to pass a background and drug test. Our advice for UTI and MMI grads and aspiring technicians, that would be to concentrate on good attendance and making good grades, because that will set the stage for a great career. We do that through continuous training. John Deere University is specialized training for Deere equipment, comprised of new model info to advanced levels of specialized training. And we offer that training every year, at least a minimum of 20 hours that we pay for all of our technicians, and we also offer them plenty of advanced training beyond that when they come on board with us. The reason why we recruit directly from UTI is just because we found that they are prepared and have the skill sets that we need for what we do with our John Deere equipment. Our technicians do use some online systems. John Deere University Online is always a good reference point for us, for our technicians. And certainly a lot of the diagnostic systems that we use require you to be as capable with a laptop as you are with a wrench. I would say that the industry is evolving because John Deere wants to be a leader in technology. So moving from a world of mechanical to a world of electronic theory and operation is something that they are one of the leaders in. So what you learn at UTI will directly fit what we need in the ag industry.